Our next project is quite practical as it addresses a question we often ponder: what should I eat today? Let's take a look at this project through a video.
A sandwich for breakfast. What? A carrot? Let's try again.
Oh no!
I'm starving.
Let's take a look at this project through a video. With this project, deciding what to eat becomes a breeze. In this project, we'll be using the 3-axis accelerometer sensor located on the back of the Unihiker. As you can see from these images, the accelerometer values in different states of the main board can be read. Therefore, we can detect the shaking of the board, which in turn triggers the random selection. Before we proceed with the project, we need to prepare some images. Please download at least 5 different food images to your desktop. Open MindPlus, creates a new project. Open the folder, select all the images, and drag them to that file in the project section in the file system. This way, we've prepared all the image materials for this project. Next, please complete the initialization interface for this project. The image above is image number 0. Drag this image from the folder into MindPlus. First, display the text, set the position, size, and color. Display the image, name the object, adjust the center of symmetry, and then adjust its width, which is the display size of the image. Click Run, and you can see the effect. The next challenge is to display a random image by shaking the board. Fortunately, we don't need precise values. In the drop-down menu of the accelerometer module, we can directly select and switch to intensity and judge whether you have shaken the Unihiker through this comprehensive value. As a reference, here I used a value greater than or equal to 1.5. Next, please spend a few minutes writing the program to try to achieve this effect. Let's go back to MindPlus. Let's see how this effect is achieved. First, we can detect the shaking action by judging the intensity value of the acceleration. And before this, we don't need to keep judging, we can use the wait until a module to let the program wait. Then, once the shake condition is triggered, we can first display an image of a chef, indicating that it's about to reveal the menu. Wait for 0.5 seconds, update the object, among the food images numbered 1 to 20, randomly display 1. But remember, we need to display the full image name, including the format at the end, .png. After displaying for 3 seconds, we can return to the initial interface. Wait for the next start. Now, we can click on Run in the upper right corner to test the effect of this project. From the perspective of the project's functionality, we've actually implemented the core functions. However, to enhance the user experience and visual effects, before the final random display of a certain food image, we can quickly switch and display other food images on the screen. This will enhance the visual experience of the random function. Next, please spend a few minutes writing the program to try to achieve this effect. Actually, we have a simple method here, that is, using this module. This module means assign the variable image x in sequence from the range 1 to 10 with a step length of 1. It's equivalent to repeating the variable +1 9 times. Just like this. This way, we can achieve the effect of quickly switching and displaying images numbered 1 to 9. Back to MindPlus. To better understand, we can rename this variable to image x. Then update the displayed image. Here, to display the full name of the image, we need to join the complete image name through text. Of course, we can also initially set the variable to 1, then repeat the variable +1 10 times to achieve a similar effect. After completing, we put this section of the program under the shake. Let's have a try. Finally, we can add lively sound effects to this project using the buzzer we learned earlier, tilde. The final effect we want to achieve is, when switching images, there is a rolling sound effect. When it is finally determined to display a certain food, play a melody. Next, please spend a few minutes writing the program to try to achieve this effect. Back to MindPlus. After testing, I chose to play the G4 and B4 notes quickly to simulate a rolling sound effect. Put it in the image switching program. After the switch is completed, we need to stop playing first. Finally, by playing the Power Up melody once, we end this food selection. Click Run and retest it. Of course, you can freely change the images and sound effects inside, and modify it into a more interesting work. The most important tip here is that the name of the image can be modified in the folder in advance, and then dragged and dropped into MinePlus for programming will be much easier. In the end, combining the 3-axis acceleration, graphics, and sound effects, we can design and implement various interesting interactive projects on the Unihiker. For example, a 2D maze like this. That concludes our training for today. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your support for our products. Thank you for your cooperation. Bye.